Hi there, I hope you're doing well. This is Mrs. Feller here to talk to you today about the Stream tab in Google Classroom. I'm going to be demoing this from a student's perspective. I'm going to show you how to view and respond to announcements in the Stream tab, the different types of attachments you may find in an announcement in the Stream, and the difference between announcements in the Stream and tasks in classwork. Let's go ahead and jump right in. You'll notice when you enter Google Classroom that there are 3 tabs across the top: the Stream, the Classwork, and People. We're going to be focused on the Stream today. The Stream shows class announcements and can also show each item that's been added into the Classwork tab. Now from the teacher's end, I turned this feature off, so all you're going to see today in the Stream tab are announcements. Each announcement is listed in order with the most recent post on top. Let's take a look at the first post. Since this one asked for me to check in, I'm going to type my comment, click on the paper airplane, and my comment has been posted. Now let's look at the second announcement that's been posted. This one has attachments. The different types of attachments that you may see in an announcement include the YouTube video, a file, links to other websites, and resources that the teacher may have posted from his or her Google Drive. To view any of these attachments, I simply click on the link. Now you may be wondering what the difference is between the Stream announcements and the work that's been posted under Classwork. Unlike the tasks in Classwork, there is no grade or score attached to announcements in the Stream. Think of it like a place to view the daily agenda, read reminders, or respond to a daily check-in. I'll go over the types of tasks in Classwork in my next video. Until then, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.